Hello and welcome to Sort of Search classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is abbreviated as Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for I.S.I entrances. So let's check what is in this problem. Show that the area of the bounded region enclosed between the curves y cube equals to x square and y equals to 2 minus x square is 2 and 2 by 15. Okay, so let's start the solution. The two curves are y cube is equals to x square and y is equals to 2 minus x square. Therefore, the pictorial representation of these two curves looks like this. This is the curve 2 minus x square and this is the curve y cube is equals to x square. Okay. Therefore, our required region is this shaded portion. Now, using these two equations, we have to find the point of intersection of these two curves. We can say that y is equals to 2 minus y cube. Therefore, we get y cube minus 2 plus y is equals to 0, which implies that y minus 1 multiplied by y square plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Hence, we can say that y is equals to 1 or y equals to half minus 1 plus minus root over 3. Therefore, x is equals to plus minus 1. Since y is real and equal to 1, okay, therefore the point of intersection of the two curves are of the two curves are 1 comma 1 or minus 1 comma 1. Okay, therefore the area of the shaded region is equals to integration minus 1 to 1 y1 minus y2 dx, where y1 is 2 minus x square and y2 is x to the power 2/3. Okay, hence we can write as minus 1 to 1 integration 2 minus x square minus x to the power 2/3 dx, which results in 2 and 2 by 15 square units. So that's the proof, and that's all for today. These ourselves classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sorofsclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you very much.